Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 12th, 2022. We are here to talk about Amazon and can this particular stock outperform in the next bull market? You guys may be saying, bull market? What in the world are you talking about? The market is in a bear market. We're in a recession. We're about to embark on a depression. So why would you say in the next bull market, bull run, will Amazon outperform? Well, I want to show you all the chart. You guys have been rocking with me for a while. You guys understand that I don't pay attention to what people say, what they write, the videos that they produce, the articles that they create. I simply look at the chart to certify what they are saying if it's true, right? We got to have a baseline as to how we can justify what people are saying and what they are creating in terms of video content. Because if it doesn't line up with the price chart, then the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we don't give them any credibility, because they're trying to give us their opinion, and in the end, opinions don't make money. Charts do. So you guys want to join me, hit that like button, and also subscribe here to my channel. Now let's break this down real quick, because I don't have a price prediction on the chart right now for Amazon. I don't. So I wanted the market to give me a little bit more information as to what they wanted to do, right? Because every day that the market is open, it gives us more information that we didn't have before. Now we got a little bit more information, and it kind of shows us that there's a little bit more strength on the side of Amazon's price going up rather than it going down. You guys can see that we are still seeing the market in Amazon trade above its long-term trend line, which is fantastic. It tells us that this particular market is still bullish. We haven't broken this trend line that has been created since 2016. Yeah, this trend is still intact in Amazon. So from that perspective, the market is still bullish. It's still in a boom run. Okay. Let's look at Amazon on the weekly chart. Let's bring this over here, zoom in a little bit closer. And you guys can see that last week has been great, right? In terms of justifying how the market is anticipated the next move, we've seen Amazon come through and held this area as support. Okay, right there around 125, 124, $124, which is also being created as a support or foundation price. So not only is price staying above that long-term trend line, it is also finding support around $124. Two great things that we need to see price go up in Amazon. Okay, because the last prior 3 weeks, market in Amazon has been trending down. Well, last week we saw the market actually go up, which is fantastic. You guys can even see here on the 2 weeks that this 2 weekly price bar, the market in Amazon did go down, but we saw the market reverse and close back up. What does it mean, right? This is a language. The market is coming through, speaking to us, letting us know what everyone else is trying to do. This goes in line with what occurred here. Okay, so we got this massive spread bar in Amazon there. We saw price in Amazon go down on this 2 weekly price bar, right? But we saw the market come back up. So from a mixture of buying and selling over the last 8 weeks or so, the market in Amazon is still reflecting that there's a little bit more strength than there is weakness going on into the market right now in Amazon. So we got to be a little bit more bullish. We have to lean more towards Amazon trending up in price. Okay, this is what we're looking at. Now, the next hurdle though, and we had to figure out is, if we're looking for price in Amazon to trend higher, well, how high do you think price is going to go? Right? That is where we have to do a little bit more investigations and try to see it, because down here is where market is finding issues in Amazon. Around $136, $37. It's right there. So the question is, do you think we're going to get stopped right there at $136, $137, or do you think this market eventually is going to try to run back up to this particular area that it got stopped out for real? Because this is where the true problem is, to where the sellers are positioned. Okay, they're right there around 147. So as this market continues to trade in the long term, we definitely need to keep our eyes open on looking for Amazon to get hit there. All right. So I still suspect that the market and Amazon is going to continue to trend higher. It doesn't mean on certain days that the market's going to go down, because it will. We have to anticipate those things. But the grand scheme of things, from a broad spectrum, this market in Amazon is still, I'm not going to say the word bullish, but it's going to trend higher from my realm, from what I'm seeing on the chart. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and drop this price prediction on the chart, and then I'm going to give you all the ability to give me yours. Okay. So I'm going to hold my support area for Amazon around like 120. Bring it down to $120, right? Now, what that means is that even when on the days that Amazon trends down, as long as the market doesn't break this long-term trend, even 120, we're still going to expect that the general move is still going to be up. Okay, so I don't want everyone to get tricked and to think that, oh, the market's going down in Amazon. Yeah, it's always going to go up, it's going to go down. But to know where you might need to come in and completely leave the play is right there around 120. The market price breaks 120 like this. If we see the market in Amazon do this, that tells us that, yeah, the buyers left the game. They're not trying to buy up Amazon stock at that price level. We need to come in and talk. That's what that means. All right. Now, my first price target is going to be around 140. Okay. Right there around 140. It's over 5%. Again, I'm not massively bullish. My second one is going to be up here again to where the last bout of selling came through, which is around like 145. That's around 9.5%. Okay. So I think this is more realistic in terms of how we can see the market in Amazon trade. And we're just going to simply let the market come to us, because we are already here sitting in position looking for Amazon to trend higher. All right. So go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target in the market for Amazon. Let me know, where do you think the market is about to go? It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be complicated. All we have to do is figure out how are other people in the market positioning themselves to see Amazon go. That's it. So make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.